Well, it's Monday here, and just to give you guys a quick example of how this could play out in your favor, right? Trading the financial markets, learning the skill set from us, and this is the ability you would have now when you complete the course, right? And you step in, let me say, step into your office, your home, the markets. During the course, you would know the operating hours of the Forex markets and stuff. So it's Monday morning here. I came in, I did some chores as well home, and now I'm looking for some setups, right? I have $116 USDT set up in my brokerage account ready to trade via USDT. So I'm looking for some setups. So that's to run through what it is I have offering, guys. We have currently the training, which is 6 days. You don't have to know anything about Forex. You just come in with an open mind, 500 TT, 6 days duration of the course, 1 hour via Zoom maximum. And you're going to be learning a lot. I've been with the market since 2019, and I've put together a module to break down the financial markets to you. So at the end of the course, you'd have a 7 day, which is the evaluation day, where we'd be actually trading on the live markets, looking for potential opportunities, right? So if you want this training, guys, because trust me, way better than you investing into a high program or basically you getting involved with pyramid schemes and stuff. Because when all those things crash, you don't really learn anything. You understand? So I give you all an option here. I myself have been I've lost a lot, learned I should say, with hypes. So that's why I decided to launch the Forex educational side of the business so where people could come and actually learn how to trade, right? So that's the training. It's 500 TT. It's a crash course. Really, really excited stuff. We had some good positive feedback from students already. And we have the copy paste signal. Well, I don't need to tell you all much about this. Just ask for the videos. We did a month, a 1 week, and stuff like that. So persons who do have the time to trade and you want to capitalize on Forex trading, the copy and paste program is there for you, right? So I don't want to stick too much of that. I want to go straight to the charts, and we want to look for some potential opportunities. I have the broker set up here. As you see, no trades are running. We're looking at hopefully if we could get a little scalping position, that'll be good. Going in at 0.10 at $116. I ain't looking for much, probably $5, $10, and gonna call it a session. It's just to show you all an example, right? So we're gonna mark up some of these charts here, look for some potential opportunities. This is my personal strategy. You would learn it, highs and lows and stuff when you come into the training. So this is me that's showing you some stuff here that I'm looking for, looking for some potential opportunities. Right. So again, guys, the trading is going to explain all these things about pairs, Forex market, everything. You come in with an open mind, no experience required, and you're going to learn a lot, right? So we're going to look for some potential opportunities today, right? See where the market at and what we could get into. So we're going to do some, we're going to just identify some structures here, right? All right, this is just me doing my work. You could just enjoy the view, I should say. Right. All right, so catch up already played off. This move would have happened. Let me just identify when market opened there, came back down, boom. 21:30, so that yesterday. Going to the night period, it would have happened, it moved there. So let's see what's happening here. Right. Right, so that's just one, we have a couple other pairs to look at. So we could see NCDJPY was in a downtrend and broke. So we want to identify some structures here as well. So, right, we're gonna just wait it out with this trade. Try the 80 chef. What am I seeing here? Okay. Let's see if we could get a 80 chef opportunity here. All right. Identify structure here one time. Right, so we can see an uptrend happening here. Let's identify a trend here. A bounce here. Okay. Let's go down to the lower time frames to see if we could get an opportunity here. 30 minutes. See another trend here as well. Right, perfect. Perfect. Right, so let's take a look at this here. Let's see what's happening here. Someone's that would be if 60 pip drop away. A target B. All right, so the move already happened, but we're gonna try and get into the to the trade because the possibility exists. We get a touch to about this level here. All right, that's why it's small. So we're gonna execute a buy for AUD Chef right now. Instruments, Forex, AUD Chef. Make sure it's on 0.10 and we're gonna hit a buy there. All right. We ain't asking for much in terms of the profits. We might get take a $5-10 and come out of the trade, right? So you can see the equity here, the capital here. Immediately it's going up. So we're gonna just put our take profit levels quickly. I'm gonna put 0.5 to 139. 0.5 to 139. Alright, we don't really want it to go so high, but is our profit level. That's why it's reach like $10. We already in the profit zone already, so we got in really good there. But it could retest. It had to do what it had to do, but I'm gonna put my stop loss to keep it a little safe. I got in on this area here. I'm gonna put my stop loss about 60 pips. And this could be my target area here. Alright, so 1051246 would be my stop loss. Alright, let's just look back at that. Another easy way to do it is just double click on it here. Copy to the broker. Right? This is just my typical monitoring the trade and leaving it at that low. Right? I know exactly what I'm looking for and the take profit level here. Right? So if I wasn't monitoring the trade, I would have got tighter stop loss. But because what I'm seeing here, it have certain levels that could break through before going up to a high. But that's why about 20 pips, 10, 20 pips on me out of the trade, right? So, yeah. We get some nice confirmation on the buy. We have a nice trend going up here. So we just wait about 20 pips and we could. So all these are different levels, which I will explain in the training as well. in the markets based on the highs and the lows. All right, so we're just gonna wait it out. It's a real nice trade. So you see immediately the profits start to go up here. So we're just gonna wait it out a little bit, and I'll resume back the video when I see it past like $5 and stuff, going to a $10 gap. You see it already going to $2 here. And think of it in this way, that's $2 by 8.50. That's $17. It could go up to $3 here. See what's going on here, guys? This is what we're talking about. So I'll pause the video and resume it back as soon as I reach a decent profit level here. Not much, right? So I'll pause it back in a few. So I want to cut it off at $6, $7. Right? We're not gonna take much. Um, let's see if we get 7. If we could get to 10 because we're scalping right now. Let's go back to the 6. Let's see what's going back here. Get one push to the upside, right? So I cut it off at $6. So we made $6 profit here. Look at this, guys, $6 in just a few minutes. And I mean, that's not even the target. That is just to show you all a scalping technique I use, right? And we got literally, let's calculate it. $6.30 at 8.5. $53 here in a few minutes, and it's still going up, right? So this is to show you the level of education you all will be coming into, because you see a real world scenario there on the EUD chef. So if you require some more information, guys, we're gonna leave it at that. And it's a nice profitable trade there. We closed up just at about 6 pips in profit, but we're anticipating more, but just as a live demonstration purpose to show you all exactly how you could benefit from this opportunity. That is literally about 53 TT earned in a few minutes, right? Trading at that particular lot size. So guys, reach out to me for some more information, and that was a successful trading idea with AUD Chef. And this is just to show you the opportunity that awaits you to get involved into the financial market.